Icadian.
I am an 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 Icadian.
ICAD, Creating and Nurturing Talent. ICAD School of Learning is Central India's most distinguished JEE training institute. Infrastructure. The perfect ambience blended with all the essential facilities is the prime identity of ICAD. ICAD offers state-of-art infrastructure facilities at all its centers across Central India. Spacious and well-ventilated classrooms and ample parking space with security guards is the key feature of ICAD. Advisory board members and faculties. ICAD is proud and privileged to have a distinguished advisory board consisting of eminent dignitaries of the education field. These brain guns have set up the training and mentoring system of ICAD School of Learning. ICAD's philosophy and culture offers no room for any compromise. ICAD hires the best of the faculties from across the country to ensure quality training to the students.
So, I will just tell you about my experience of 2 years, and if some of the tips come in your handy during JEE, then I will be really proud. And Vaidya sir has already made my job easier.
Dr. Anil Kayande, MSc in Mathematics and PhD. Faculty positions: University of Alberta, Canada, University of Rhode Island, RI, USA, University of IFE, Nigeria. Ex-Principal, Ramdev Baba Engineering College, Nagpur. Dr. Dilip Vaidya, MTech from IIT Kanpur, PhD from VNIT Nagpur. Ex-Principal, Ramdev Baba Engineering College, Nagpur. Ex-Principal, NITM, Gwalior. Ex-Principal, IES College of Technology, Bhopal. Director Academics, ICAD School of Learning. Dr. Dilip Vaidya. Accolades: First University Merit and Gold Medalist in BE. 10 on 10 CGPA in MTech from IIT Kanpur. Best Paper Award at ISTE National Convention. Lifetime member of Institution of Engineers. Ex-Principal of engineering colleges like Ramdev Baba and St. Vincent Pallotti. Our Academic Dean, Dr. Dilip Vaidya, who himself is an IIT Kanpur pass out and is known as an authority in mathematics and physics.
Dear student, you are most welcome to the world of competitive examinations in general and engineering entrance examinations in particular. This is the gateway to your future career. You must have heard a lot about exams such as JEE Main, Advanced and many more. And I am sure that the information so gathered by you has created more confusion. Let me tell you that word engineering means, in quote marks, to make it happen. It means problem solving. It means application of knowledge. That is why engineers who make it happen are highly regarded and rewarded by the society compared to other disciplines. Engineers are thus problem solvers. Everyone naturally desires to become an engineer. Another important aspect is the difference between doing engineering and becoming an engineer. Getting engineering degree is not enough. You need to develop problem solving skill. It is now no secret that engineering entrance examinations are designed to test problem solving skill. Dear student, skill is to be acquired by practice. It requires guidance, monitoring, testing, rectification and many more things on continuous basis. We call it as mentoring. At ICAD, all you have to do is come with determination and faith. Team ICAD will mentor you to the success. All the best for your journey to the success.
Our mentors, Mr. Sarang Ubganlawar, M.Pharm and MBA, founder and CEO of ICAD JEE Training Institute.
Since 2004, ICAD has commenced JEE training program with the objective to provide the best training facility to our Vidarbha region students. No doubt, the focus of the student and the consistency of his matters. But the institution culture, result producing ability, faculty, discipline, it is played a major role. Right? It is the institution job to make the students much easier and to increase his academic performance level. There lays the strength of ICAD. We are not only providing ICADians result-oriented culture, but also making them perform better than what they are at the entry level.
Hello everyone, I am an ICADian. The best thing I like about ICAD is that the faculty is student friendly. They do their best in clearing our doubts and helping us to attain success. And they also motivate us with all they have got. So all I want to say is that I am proud to be an ICADian. Thank you.
ICAD has the best teachers, best infrastructure in whole Nagpur. जेव्हा मी 11th स्टँडर्डमध्ये गेली तेव्हा माझ्यासाठी असा चॉईस नव्हता की कुठल्या क्लासला जायचा कारण मला ICADच हवं होतं अँड लकीली आय गॉट इन टू ICAD विच वॉज द बेस्ट थिंग दॅट हॅपन. डॉक्टर दिलीप वैद्य, our academic dean, is really a man of substance. His wisdom and knowledge and command over subjects is really unmatched, and it was more than we ever expected. Thanks to ICAD, now we have vision.
Hello everybody, I am an ICADian. We are receiving best-in-class education here. And besides, we are also getting good infrastructure and library facilities. I think ICAD is the best thing that has happened to me in my academic career. We are having the best faculty available here. We have a good doubt-solving session, and the sirs are always ready to help us. All the faculties are always available for our doubt-solving. We have regular testing, and we have also post-testing sessions so that we can learn our mistakes and improve them in our next test. I sincerely thank ICAD for all my academic achievements, and I'm proud to be ICAD.
Hello everyone, I'm an ICADian. The best thing I like about ICAD is the experienced teachers, the excellent infrastructure. If we talk about teachers, they provide us with great knowledge. The discussion which takes place in class is very knowledge enhancing. Well, ICAD is possibly the best thing that has ever happened to me. What I think is being an ICADian is the most advantageous thing because it helps us to set our career and brighten our future, and that's all what a student would want. So last but not the least, I am proud to be an ICADian.
ICAD मेरे दूसरे घर का नाम है. यहाँ पे मतलब सारी की सारी चीज़ें तुम जो भी चाहोगे, अगर तुम्हें पढ़ने की इच्छा है तो तुम्हें सब कुछ मिलेगा यहाँ पे. और तुम्हें अगर तुम में वो कैपेबिलिटी है तो ये तुम्हारी कैपेबिलिटी को और शार्पन करते हैं. पूरी तुम्हारी जो कैपेबिलिटी अगर यहाँ तक थी तो उसको 70 थी तो उसको 100% तक लेके जाएगी. और तुम्हें बिलीव नहीं होगा कि ये तुम इतना स्मूथली करोगे कि यहाँ पे तुम्हें कोई ट्रबल नहीं होगा. जैसे तुम्हें बहुत ही लग रहा होगा कि बहुत ही रूड बिहेवियर है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे सब लोग तुम्हारी हेल्पिंग नेचर के हैं यहाँ पे, तो सब लोग तुम्हारे हेल्प करने के लिए यहाँ पे. बस थोड़ा सा कभी डांट पड़ ही जाती है. अभी इस लाइफ इज लाइक अप एंड डाउन, तो थोड़ा बहुत तो होगा ही कभी. तो वो हमें उसके साथ कोऑपरेट करके आगे बढ़ना है, और ये एकदम बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है.
Welcome to ICAD School of Learning. Happy learning!